Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cultivate in Bonsai board game. On each player's turn, you get to choose either meditating or cultivating, and in this video I'm gonna talk about cultivating. You can place in cultivating, you can place tiles which are in your personal supply in your bonsai. You can place as many tiles as there are symbols depicted on your Seishi tile and any or all of your growth cards. So, in this Seishi of the blue players, I have 3 symbols on the starting tile here, and also 3 symbols on the growth cards. So on each turn of cultivating, I can place 6 tiles in total, and I need to remember that I can only place the tiles that are drawn. So I have 1 tile of choice, 1 wood tile, 2 leaf tiles, 1 fruit tile and 1 flower tile. So I can place them on my turn of cultivating. And during a cultivate action you must respect the placing rules. A wood tile must be placed adjacent to another wood tile, at least one side touching a wood tile. So if I want to place this wood tile, I can only place it adjacent to another wood tile, but I cannot place it like that, nor like that, nor like that. So let's place it like that, and let's move on to the leaf tile, which must be placed adjacent to a wood tile. So you can see that these leaf tiles have a little bit of wood, and this side must be touching another wood. So I can place it like that, for example, so it touches a wood. It can also be placed like that, so one side with the wood touches the wood and another side as well, but I cannot place it adjacent to just a leaf, so I can't place it like that. It can be only placed adjacent to at least one side wood. So that's gonna be, for example, like that. And now let's move on to a flower tile, which must be placed adjacent to a leaf tile. A flower tile has a little bit of leaves on it, and it has to be placed adjacent to a leaf, so it can be placed like that or like that as well. And it cannot be placed, for example, like that, because it doesn't fit here. And it can't be placed adjacent to a wood tile here, for example. So let's place it here, and let's move on to a flower tile, and it has to be touching at least 2 sides of a leaf, like that, but it cannot touch another flower. So you cannot place it like that. You can see that I've used a wood tile, leaf tile, and fruit and flower tile. So I've used 4 tiles, and I can also use one leaf tile more and one tile of choice, so I could actually use 2 more leaf tiles, but I can also leave them for now if I want to. And remember that in scoring, these flower tiles are scored the most if they are touching only one side of the leaf. So this is touching 2 sides, so will be scored less than this, which touches leaf on only one side. And this touches leaves on 3 sides, so will be scored the least as a flower. And you can check it always on the supply card, which tells you that wood tiles are not scored, leaf tiles are scored 3 points each, flower tiles are scored for each 3 side, so from 1 to 5 points, and fruits are scored 7 points. And that's all about cultivating. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.